Okay, so today we are going to learn about hypothesis testing using the z-score method. So the best way of learning this technique is using a example problem. So we have a problem here. A principal at a certain school claims that the students in his school are above average intelligence. A random sample of 30 students' IQ score has a mean score of 112. If the mean population IQ of students is 100 with a standard deviation of 15, is there sufficient evidence to support the principal's claim? So from here, from the problem, we have these values. Mu denoting the population mean, which is 100. Then we have x bar, which is the sample mean, which is 112. And then we have the standard deviation equals to 15 and the sample size n as 30. So the formula for finding the z-score is very simple. We have z equals to x mod minus mu by standard deviation divided by root over n. So we have 112 minus 100 divided by 15 root over 30. So this value will come up to so we have 12 upon approximately 2.738, which will come up to 4.38. So this is the z value we have. So these are the values for the critical values for z-test. We have different levels of confidence. For 1% denoted as 0.01, 5% as 0.05. So normally we take the 5% confidence rate. Okay, so before proceeding into this part, we will first have to define our null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. So according to the problem, we can take our null hypothesis h naught equals to that mu is equals to 100. That means the population mean mu is true for all given values. And we have our alternate hypothesis as mu less than x bar, which means that the sample mean which the principal has taken from his school has a mean of x bar which is greater than mu. Now if we see the values, we can already see that the mean value of the sample is greater than mu, but we have to find enough evidence to prove that. For that we have to do the z-test. As so far we have found the z value as 4.38. Now as per the critical value chart, we have the critical value for 5% confidence rate as 1.64. So at confidence level of 0.05, the value is 1.64, which is less than 4.38. So if the confidence value is less than the z value, we can conclude that the null hypothesis is false, which means that the alternate hypothesis is true. Hence we can say that there is enough evidence to prove that the students of that school has a higher IQ than the general population. That's all. Thank you.